makes you sick, doesn't it?
Mary.
Doesn't feel so good either.
I know.
I know. How would you know? You don't have it, not you. Not little Miss Prim and Proper.
Mary, please.
Oh, soon it will be our birthday again. Remember how we used to celebrate, sister dear?
No.
Remember how you'd hide from me, but I'd find you anyway. Remember what I'd do? How it hurt? Huh? Well, I will make it hurt again. I'll make you suffer what I've suffered. Yes! Run! You'll never get away from me. Run!
Julia, what is it?
I told you I shouldn't have come. I told you.
Now, what is it? What's happened?
She tried to...
She tried to do what? What are you talking about?
Just like our birthdays. When we were kids. What she did to me.
Now, Julia, calm down. Nobody's going to hurt you.
You don't know what she did to me. Nobody knows. Nobody knows what she did to me.